In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iPhone country change none option not showing on iPhone. So grab your iPhone and let's go through this together like we're doing it right now on the device. Start from the home screen and open up the settings app, just tap on that grey gear icon. Once you're inside settings, look right at the very top where your name and profile picture are showing. Go ahead and tap on that to open your Apple ID section. This is where all the account and App Store settings are stored. After that screen opens, scroll down a little bit until you see the option called Media and Purchases and tap on it. Your iPhone might ask you to enter your Apple ID password at this point, so just type that in to confirm it's really you making the changes. After you're signed in, look for the option that says Country/Region and tap on that. This is the area where Apple lets you update the store location for your account. On this screen, you'll be able to select the region you want to switch to. Go ahead and choose the country you prefer from the list, and once you've selected it, tap on Done in the top right corner to save the change. After that, the App Store will refresh with the new region settings, and the missing none option should no longer be an issue. That's all there is to it, just a few taps inside your Apple ID settings, and you can update your country or region directly on your iPhone.